In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover missing ChatGPT conversations. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4Dig. Today, we're diving into something that might have frustrated quite a few of you. You sit down to pick up where you left off in a conversation, only to find that your entire chat history has mysteriously vanished. You look at your sidebar and see nothing but a blank space staring back at you. First things first, don't panic. Trust me, this is a common issue, and there are ways to troubleshoot it. You might be surprised to learn that most of the time, your chats are not actually deleted. Instead, they may just be hidden, temporarily unavailable, or connected to the wrong session. So let's break it down into the most common reasons for this little hiccup, and I'll guide you through the solutions step by step. First up, let's explore the possibility that your chats are archived. As you chat more frequently, your chat list can grow quite long and somewhat challenging to manage. This is where the archive feature comes into play. Many users mistakenly think their chats have been deleted simply because they can't see them. If you find your chat box missing, it's worth checking your archive. To do this, you'll want to open the Settings menu. Just look for Data Controls and click on it. You should see an option labeled Manage Archive Chat. Click on that, and voila! If you see your conversation listed, congratulations! All you need to do is click on the archive icon next to the chat, and it will pop right back into your sidebar. It's like finding a lost treasure. Now, if you've checked your archive and still can't find your chats, don't lose hope just yet. Let's move on to another common reason why your chats may have disappeared: your account and connection. It sounds simple, but it's surprisingly easy to accidentally log into the wrong account. So, take a moment to double-check that you're logged into the correct account. If you are, but your chats are still missing, we might need a little refresh. Here's what you can do: sign out of your account completely. After you do that, go ahead and clear your browser data. This step is crucial since it will help flush out any glitches that might be causing the problem. Once you've cleared the data, log back in. It's amazing how many issues can be resolved with a simple refresh like this. Your data is safe. It's just the connection that might be lagging a bit. Now, I have to be candid with you. If you've gone through the steps I've mentioned and you still can't find your conversations, there's a possibility that you may have manually deleted them. Unfortunately, once a chat has been permanently deleted, there's no going back. As ChatGPT officially states, conversations that have been manually deleted cannot be recovered, and there is no recovery system in place on their servers. So if you find yourself in that unfortunate situation, know that it's an irreversible action, and there's no recourse to retrieve those lost chats. But on a brighter note, by following the methods I've shared today, you should hopefully be able to locate any missing conversations and avoid similar frustrations in the future. Thanks for sticking with me through this. I hope you found these tips helpful and that your chats are back in no time. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful guides and tips. Happy chatting, everyone!